Good day, sir. This is our explanation about ship routing.
Specific predominant paths of ship to navigate aiming to ensure safety, including in congested or hostile areas. Ship routing measures like traffic respiration stacks help to minimize the risks of collision and grounding in high traffic areas.
By providing determined routes, ship can navigate with greater predictability, leading to more efficient use of waterways. Routing measures can help to protect sensitive marine environments by guiding ships away from areas of ecological importance. These schemes establish designated lines for ships traveling in opposite directions, separating traffic, reducing the like likelihood of collisions. These are routes marked by buoys or other navigational aids providing recommended path for ships for follow in certain areas. These zones are located between the landward boundary of a TES and the coast, providing a designated area for smaller ships and vessels to navigate. Mariners are responsible for understanding and adhering to ship routing measures when navigating. Thank you for watching.